Genesis 2, verse 18. The Lord God said, "It is not good for the man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable for him." And thus, multiplayer was invented for the first time in Earth's history. Hello YouTube. Um, Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial for making multiplayer in Astrocade. It's very easy. You don't need coding. Astrocade's free. You probably know that. Um, so yeah. Um, Well, we're gonna start out with the first step, which is this right here. We are going to copy all of this text and paste it into our game creator. And then we're going to describe our game ID here. The game, my game, wait, let's switch it up to equal time. Game, Rossi, field where players can walk around with a ball, show their username above their head, and allow sending messages with a simple chat. The message you send should appear above your character for a few seconds. Yeah, that's I think. And we're just going to press enter, and we're going to let Astrocade do its thing. So oh, no, no, no. Okay, so this often happens. Um, if it just says like what kind of pipes are channeling, just copy your exact same prompt and paste it again. And then it's probably going to give you another choice. Oh, not even? Well, there you go. And just click create. Let's continue. So, obviously, it has created the game now, but it doesn't know what server to connect to. So we're going to step 2. It's very easy. Copy this link, or just go to this link, create an account. I logged in with Google, it's very easy. And then go to your projects page, which is over here, and create a new project. Name it whatever you like for your game. Just let this website generate a password for you, unless you have a very strong password yourself. I struggled to get a good password. And the region, whichever one you like, whichever one you're closest to, just so it's faster for testing yourself. And you don't have to do anything with these two, just click create new project. Step 3, we're going to copy all of this, boom, and paste it into here. And now pay close attention, you're going to scroll all the way up to this text right here, and it says here are my Supabase values, project URL, and anon key. Let's first paste our project URL. So you go to your settings, which is on the left down here, project settings, and then go to data API. There you go, project URL, and it's right here. Just press the copy button. It's going to copy this link. You're going to select this part entirely and paste the URL. Now let's go find our anon key, which is at the API keys, and then legacy anon service role API keys, anon public, and it starts with EYJ. Just copy it, it's a big code. Once again, same thing. Select this, paste, done. So, and now you just send it into Astrocade and it's gonna do its thing. Connected. There you go. So let's see if it works. We're gonna put in our username, join game. It has connected, which is cool. It even has a football for some reason. I didn't even ask for it, but I like it. And you're going to share just to test, copy your link, paste it in a new tab. On phone, it might be hard to play test it. You will probably need someone else as well, or just 2 devices. And let's see if it works. Okay, so this is a very common issue. It doesn't always check for all positions and if there's player in the lobby. So we're going to ask it to do that. Right now, when joining a lobby that already has someone else in it, it won't see that there are more players. But the player already in the lobby can see the newly joined player. Make sure it always checks for other players and the location of the football. And we're just gonna send it in here as well, and we wait. Okay, that should have fixed it. Let's see. Um, just keep refreshing this a few times so that we know it works. We're gonna join here first. Boom, join, and we're going to join here as well. Oh, and there we go. It is officially synced up correctly. And let's also make it so that when typing a message in the chat, and it registers WASD for the chat message, not for movement, because that's just a slight bug fix. In the meanwhile, I'm going to just quickly gloss over the limitations of this method, because obviously it's all free, which means you're gonna have a limited server, so don't expect to host a lobby of like 100 players all interacting with physics and whatnot at the same time. Just keep it a bit small. Astrogate, it has multiplayer on the roadmap in the future, so maybe at some point we will get very big servers, but for now we're just gonna have to do with this. I think that's the only real limitation. I guess also what you might want to take into account is that multiplayer is gonna have a lot more bugs the than like a normal game, because you have to sync all the actions for everyone at the same time. So it's gonna take more time to play test everything, but it's worth it in my opinion. I hope this tutorial helped. If you still have questions, just hop over to our Discord. Let us know in the the tips and tricks section or creator chat or whatever. Ping me, I'm Octroy Destroyer. I might be able to help. And yeah, have a great day, everyone.
Yes, victory rood, ja. Jongens, wat is...